Have you ever stumbled upon a photo of yourself from years ago and felt a strange sense of distance? You know it's you, but the person looking back, they feel like a stranger. Or maybe you've noticed the different people you are throughout the day. The person you are at work is not the person you are with your oldest friends. It begs the question, are we one single, consistent self? Or are we a collection of different people, all living under the same name? There's an ancient philosophical puzzle called the Ship of Theseus. It goes like this. If a ship has every one of its wooden planks replaced over 100 years, is it still the same ship at the end? Our bodies do the same thing. Our cells replace themselves. Our thoughts change. Our beliefs evolve. Are we the same person we were a decade ago? I was wrestling with this feeling of being a ship constantly being rebuilt. And then I discovered a book that doesn't just discuss this idea, it dances with it. It's Virginia Woolf's incredible novel, Orlando. It's a fantasy about a protagonist who lives for over 300 years and even changes gender along the way. And here is the book's liberating idea. Woolf suggests that the self isn't a solid statue we must protect and keep the same. Instead, it's more like a river. It flows, it changes course, it adapts. The goal isn't to find your one true self, but to experience the many selves you contain within you. The book's great lesson is this: we are not a single thing to be captured and defined, but a series of selves to be lived. It's a beautiful thought. It means you are not bound to the person you were yesterday. Modern science even touches on this with the idea of neuroplasticity. Our brains are physically rewiring themselves every moment. We are always in a state of becoming. So I'll leave you with a different kind of question. Instead of asking, "Who am I?" what if the better question is, "Who am I becoming?" If you want to explore the beautiful, flowing nature of identity, I can't recommend Orlando enough. It's a joy to read. I've left a link to it in the description. Thank you for thinking with me.